technician Colin Charles, following a one-week training session with US-based company Prosthetica, they are now equipped with the necessary knowledge and capability to manufacture the issuance metal socket. These will improve the quality of prosthetic limbs.
In terms of the training, this line of work that we do, you always find that there's room for improvement. And of today's world, you find that this technology has been growing. And this introduction of a new design of socket, which you call the issual ramal containing socket, definitely it's going to make a much difference in terms of person able to control and able to move with the prosthesis.
This socket is said to be the world's most adjustable socket because of its adjustability at your fingertips, advanced pressure distribution, the use of state-of-the-art fabrics and superior design, and most of all, the use of no socks. The four-member team from the non-profit organization included John Batstroff, the director of Prosthetica, London-based David Nicholas, Ian Carrick of Canada, and England-based Laura Burgess, clinical specialist physiotherapist. The team assisted with manufacturing and demonstrating how to construct the new socket.
We will try to improve in terms of trying to do this technology, which we already started to implement it, because this morning we had seen our local patient, two of them, which myself did 2 casting for that particular design which was shown to us.
5 persons benefited from the new limbs. 2 received above-the-knee prostheses and 2 others required ankle-foot orthesis. While 37-year-old Melroy Pyle, who lost his lower arm in an accident, received elbow prosthesis. Another training exercise is scheduled within the near future. This collaboration will be with the Pan American Health Organization. For InfoHub, Natisha Isaacs.